Wednesday's talks between representatives of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization and Russia concluded without a clear outcome. After the 4-hour meeting, NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg described the differences between the two sides as significant and will not be easy to bridge.
We had a frank and open discussion on a wide range of issues, focusing on the tensions, the difficulties in and around Ukraine, and allies also, of course, again expressed their deep concern about the continued Russian military build-up along the borders of Ukraine. We are clear-eyed about the challenges we face when we now sit down with Russia and try to find a political way forward. But the meeting was useful, and I think that especially when tensions are high, it is even more important that we meet and that all allies and Russia meet and sit around the same table and address the issues that are of concern. Also, allies totally agree that it is only Ukraine and 30 allies that can decide when Ukraine is ready to become a NATO member. No one else has anything to say, and of course Russia doesn't have a veto on whether Ukraine can become a NATO member.